Welcome to Enthusiast Auto House and our 1999 Porsche 911 Carrera 2. This one is a 6-speed manual transaxle. It is a coupe, rear-wheel drive since it's a Carrera 2. Being an early 996, it has the dual-row IMS. Overall, I would say it's in very nice shape inside and out. The paint presents nicely, all the glass is in good shape. All the wheels, there are a couple little bits of curb rash. Here's one. The tires are all in nice shape. The headlights. This one has 71,000 miles on it. A little over, I think it might be 71.4 now. I have been driving it. The dash is in good shape, the steering wheel's in good shape. Has an aftermarket head unit that works nicely. Everything all works properly. Oops. There we go. Rear seats are all nice. It's early 996, so it doesn't have a glove box, but it does have all of the books. Overall, just a very nice example at a very nice price. Check it out at enthusiastautohouse.com.